I'm about to boil my beans till they're very soft, and I'd actually soaked them overnight, and there they are, they're ready. I have green bell peppers. I also have coriander, and I have carrot. You can grate them or chop them, it's still okay, and carrots actually help with the issues of gas. And also I have pureed tomatoes. You can use whole tomatoes, one large onion, and for my spices I have garam masala, cumin, and paprika, all a teaspoon, and I also have a quarter teaspoon of curry powder and turmeric. I also have a teaspoon of garlic and ginger. Now into your pot or sufuria, add some oil and fry your onions until they're translucent. Once your onions are almost ready, go ahead to add in some garlic and ginger and fry them as well. Next, add in your tomatoes. So if you're using whole tomatoes, you'll have to let them break down completely. But since I've pureed mine, I'm going to just go ahead and add the carrots so that it cooks as well, because carrots take a little bit longer to cook. I also added my green bell pepper together with the spices. I went ahead to add some water and cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes till those spices cook really well. Next, I went ahead to add in my beans. Then went ahead to add in some water, and as you can see, it's still thick, but I added more water to it so that it can simmer really well for about 15 minutes until it thickens up, and you'll see the end results at the end. Also, don't forget to add in some salt so that your beans is flavored, and cover it. Keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick at the bottom of your pot or sufuria. I cooked mine for about 15-20 minutes on medium-low heat. Once my beans was ready exactly how I want it, I went ahead to add in some coriander, let it cook for about a minute, and it's ready to serve. And there is my beans. It tasted absolutely delicious. I actually enjoyed it over with some chapati, and this is the consistency that I like, and it was perfect. I really hope you can try this recipe. Please share it with your friends and family, and I hope they do enjoy it as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification as I have new uploads every week. Till next time, bye bye.